Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video, we are doing Foodtech quiz number 38, topic gram staining. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala BSc as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use Foodtech 360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Rickettsia are stained with options A. Giesna and Castaneda stains, B. Machiavello and Gymnase stains, C. Both A and B, D. Malachite green. Correct answer C. Both A and B. Question number 2. Wet mount slide preparations are used in microbiology as they allow to see options A. Size and shape of individual organisms, B. Characteristic arrangement or grouping of cells, C. Motility of the organism, D. All of these. Correct answer D. All of these. Question number 3. Influenza virus is identified by using options A. Hemagglutinin inhibition test, B. Tissue culture method, C. Embryonated eggs, D. Plaque formation. Correct answer A. Hemagglutinin inhibition test. Question number 4. Coagulase test is used for options A. Salmonella, B. Staphylococcus, C. Bordetella, D. Pneumococcus. Correct answer D. Staphylococcus. Question number 5. Mycobacteria are stained with options A. Gram staining, B. Simple staining, C. Both A and B, D. Ziehl-Neelsen staining. Correct answer D. Ziehl-Neelsen staining. Question number 6. Fluorescence was first observed by options A. Kohler, B. Kunz, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer A. Kohler. Question number 7. Gram-negative bacteria appear as options A. Pink, B. Violet, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer A. Pink. Question number 8. Gram-positive bacteria appear as options A. Pink, B. Violet, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer B. Violet. Question number 9. The percentage of alcohol used in gram staining is options A. 75%, B. 90%, C. 60%, D. 25%. Correct answer B. 90%. Question number 10. The following bacteria produce pigment except options A. Pseudomonas pyocenas, B. Serratia marcescens, C. D. pneumoniae, D. Staphylococcus aureus. Correct answer C. D. pneumoniae. Question number 11. Endospores can be stained with options A. Safranin, B. Crystal violet, C. Methylene blue, D. Malachite green. Correct answer D. Malachite green. Question number 12. Bacterial spores are options A. Weakly acid fast, B. Strongly acid fast, C. Alcohol fast, D. Non-acid fast. Correct answer A. Weakly acid fast. Question number 13. Metachromatic granules can be stained with options A. Safranin, B. Methylene blue, C. Crystal violet, D. Penic acid. Correct answer B. Methylene blue. Question number 14. The action of alcohol during gram staining is options A. Allows the color, B. It adds color, C. Decolorizes the cells, D. None of these. Correct answer C. Decolorizes the cells. Question number 15. Lipid contents is more in options A. Gram-negative bacteria, B. Gram-positive bacteria, C. Same in both, D. None of these. Correct answer A. Gram-negative bacteria. Question number 16. Rickettsia stained by this technique responds as options A. Gram-positive, B. Gram-negative, C. Between positive and negative, D. None of these. Correct answer B. Gram-negative. Question number 17. Chlamydia can be stained better with options A. Ziehl-Neelsen staining, B. Castaneda and Machiavelli stains, C. Gimenez stains, D. Both B and C. Correct answer D. Both B and C. Question number 18. Mordant used in gram staining is options A. Crystal violet, B. Iodine, C. Safranin, D. All of these. Correct answer B. Iodine. Question number 19. Pigment bearing structure of bacteria are options A. Mesosomes, B. Plasmids, C. Mitochondria, D. Chromophores. Correct answer D. Chromophores. Question number 20. The stain used to demonstrate fungus. Options A. Albert, B. Nigrosin, C. Lactophenol cotton blue, D. None of these. Correct. Correct answer C. Lactophenol cotton blue. Question number 21. The test used for detection of typhoid fever. Options A. Vidal test, B. ELISA, C. Rosweiler test, D. Western blotting. Correct answer A. Vidal test. Question number 22. The procedure for differential staining of bacteria was developed by options A. AH gram, B. HC gram, C. NC gram, D. HA gram. Correct answer B. HC gram. Question number 23. Acridine dyes are more effective against options A. Gram positive, B. Gram negative, C. Rickettsia, D. Mycoplasma. Correct answer A. Gram positive. Question number 24. The major role of minor elements inside living organisms is to act as options A. Cofactors of enzymes, B. Building blocks of important amino acids, C. Constituents of hormones, D. Binder of cell structure. Correct answer A. Cofactors of enzymes. Question number 25. The staining technique used to stain the metachromatic granules of Corynebacterium. Options A. Giemsa stain, B. Albert stain, C. Acid fast staining, D. Both A and B. Correct answer B. Albert stain. Question number 26. The pigment present in red algae is options A. Rhodochrome, B. Fucoxanthin, C. Chlorophyll only, D. Chlorophyll plus phycobilin. Correct answer D. Chlorophyll plus phycobilin. Question number 27. Which of the following produce typical fried egg appearance colonies on solid media? Options A. Mycobacteria, B. Mycoplasts, C. Mycoplasms, D. Bacterioids. Correct answer C. Mycoplasms. Question number 28. How would you distinguish Pseudomonas species from E. coli? Options A. Gram staining, B. Morphology, C. Glucose fermentation versus respiration, D. All of the above. Correct. Correct answer C. Glucose fermentation versus respiration. Question number 29. The colonies produced by Pseudomonas on McConkey's medium are options A. Purple colored, B. Pink colored, C. Pale colored, D. Green colored. Correct answer C. Pale colored. Question number 30. Staining material of gram-positive bacterium is options A. Fast green, B. Hematoxylon, C. Crystal violet, D. Safranin. Correct answer C. Crystal Violet. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. This is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala for LDC prelims. This series will have daily practice test of 20 questions on India facts, Indian constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs containing questions from the important recent topics and mock tests aimed at the upcoming exam. One topic per day as per the schedule. The test has been created by the best minds in Kerala PSC exam preparation domain and is also aided by the combined knowledge base of the finest educators we have in our platform. All Kerala ranking for the test would be provided if you take up the test live. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. The test paper would be available in Malayalam only. First place will receive 1 month Kerala PSC subscription. Second place 1200 rupees Amazon voucher and third place 800 rupees Amazon voucher. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to unlock the free test series from Unacademy. Link is in the description. These are the newly launched courses in Unacademy Plus. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 10th level prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. So subscribe to Unacademy because you will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.